Masibotise sibulise kumakhaya ngamakhaya nakwindawo enithe dlavaniseli khona. Singena ke ngoku kwi-Euro yethu yesibini yenkqubo silwe kwaleka kwi-Euro yokuqala. Nalapho ke sinyathele imibe liqela kodwa ke ukuphosisa nceda wehlisa amaphaphu unyenyisa umbhinqo uchophe uzinze ngoba kaloku ngoku kuninzi okusozayo. Omnye ke wemiba esakuthi sikuphathele wona namhlanje ngumba wesibhengezo sokuba ijelo losasazo loluntu luye kusasaza imidlalo yendebe yehlabathi yombhoxo. Masingeneni ke endimeni singawugawulisi gawule sirhuqa singene ngqo kwindaba zethu.
Sasingeleni impela ke ehoreni lethu lesibili lohlelo lwakho luyingqaphamlandi ekhaya jikelele. Liphela nyaka ihora lokuqala asilizwanga nokulizwa. Nibonile phela ukuthi siphethe umculo omnandi HKS Group. Yazi abantu bathi thina amaZulu uma sithi engxoxweni angizwanga. Suke sasingasho ukuthi cha asizwanga ukuthi uthini. Suke sizama ukukunika ithuba lokuthi ulungise lento oqeda kisho ngoba phela siyabona ukuthi hayi cha izosiqhatha. Ake sibheke embukele indaba ehamba phambili kuleli hora lesibili. Iphoyisa ebelethula ubufakazi ecaleni lokubulawa kwaUnozinti Orlando Pirates uSenzo Meyiwa lithi liyabaza abanye babasolwa kuleli icala.
SABC ikikike isivumelwano ne-multi-choice ukusasaza indebe yehlabathi yombhoxo. Itumente ke iyaqala namhlanje.
Igama lam ndinguLiso the musician. Lena yi-Ekhaya Jikelele. Ufumana imidlalo, ufumana imozulu, ufumana imiculo, ufumana nezindaba. Bandi jongile, abantu abadala, bandi katile, abantu basekhaya, bandi katile, abantu abadala, bandi jongile, abantu basekhaya.
Uconstable Sizwe Zungu kulindeleke kuba buyele enkundleni namhlanje emva kokunikela ubungqina kwityala lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa. Ipolisa liye labeka abatyholwa abahlanu eForce Loras mhla kwabulawa lomdlali webhola ekhatywayo ngonyaka ka-2014. Uzungu ke uxelele inkundla ukuba uyabazi buqu bonke abatyholwa.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzoba ingxenye yabaholi bamazwe omhlaba engqungqutheleni yamazwe eG20 kulempela sonto. Ihhovisi likaMengameli lithi uzophinde abe nemihlangano nezinhloko zembuso emazweni ahlukahlukene ngenhloso yokuqinisa ubudlelwano namanye amazwe. Le ngqungquthela ke izosingathwa eNew Delhi eIndia nguNdunankulu wakuleli yazwe uNarendra Modi. Kepha ke umengameli waseChina uXi Jinping kanye nozakwabo waseRussia uVladimir Putin angeke ke balibhade kule ngqungquthela. Kanti umengameli waseMelika uJoe Biden ubhekisa amabombo khona eIndia naye ukuthi ayothamela ke le ngqungquthela. Undunankulu wesifundazwe iKwaZulu Natal uNomusa Dube Ncube uthi isifundazwe senza konke okusemandleni ukusungula amathuba emisebenzi ukuze intsha iqasheke kulesi sifundazwe. uDube Ncube uthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe uzozama ngayo yonke indlela ukwehlisa umthwalo kanye nezingqinamba ezibhekene nosomabhizinisi abafisa ukusebenzisana neminyango yahlukahlukene esifundazweni.
Ama-departments wethu awakakwazi ukuthi ahwebe ney'nkampani zabantu bakithi abamnyama. Kakhulukazi inkampani lezi ezinikezwa amathuba or uxhaso ezinikezwa uhulumeni. And as a result we end up wasting a lot of money investing in businesses and they are not getting markets that they are supposed to get, and as a result those companies end up falling apart. And it is really something that if we were to think about the budget that we spend every year as government, even if it was half of that budget was to be spent in these companies ezinikeziwe uxhaso, ngabe ngempela mkhulu umahluko esingawenza empilweni zabantu bakithi.
Umphathiswa wezemidlalo ubugcisa nenkcubeko uZizikodwa uzakuchazela onondaba ngesivumelwano sosasazo lwendebe yehlabathi yombhoxo ekufikelelwe kuyo phakathi kwe-SABC ne-multi-choice. Umsasazi woluntu ufumene amalungelo emidlalo eli-16 equka yonke le ibandakanya iintshatsheli ezikhuselayo zoMzantsi Afrika. SABC ke iza kusasaza ngqo imidlalo emibini yekota yokugqibela, omnye owandulela awamanqam nowokugqibela. Oku ke kuthathela ingqalelo izimva zomphathiswa zemidlalo uZizi kodwa zokuba umbhoxo udlala indima ebaluleke kakhulu ekakhweni isizwe kunye nobumbano loluntu. Le tumente ke iyaqala namhlanje ngomdlalo phakathi kwelizwe eliza kusingatha le midlalo eFrance neNew Zealand eParis, kwaye nawo uza kusasazwa yi-SABC.
Mbukeli okwamanje ake siphosa amehlo lapha esimeni sezulu sibone ukuthi kumi kanjani. Siyazi phela ukuthi impela sonto abantu benza into ezihlukahlukene ngoSaturday nangoSunday, so ke kubalekile mbukeli ukuthi ubheke isimo sezulu.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele kaloku apha kwinkqubo ithanda kunene Ekhaya Jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakho uDTT. Ukhethi ke kubheka ngumyili nomnini weCakes by Katie Bakery, ivenkile ke yakhe yokubhaka izinze eProtea Glen eSoweto naseWestern area. Uthose isidanga somthetho eDamelin College, nangona kunjalo usithandela ukubhaka. Wawuyeka ke umsebenzi wakhe ze waqalisa ishishini lakhe lokubhaka, uthengisa kwaye azise amaqebengwana mnandi kodwa ke asempilweni. Ukhuthazwe ngumakhulu wakhe ungasekhoyo uMamvelase owayedla ngokuba bumbandakanya qho ke xa ebhaka. Usapho lwakhe ke kunye noluntu lwasekuhlaleni eSoweto eSinanawane apho athe wakhulela khona. Ukhethi ke ulapha estudio. Khethi masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni.
Ngiyabonga and thank you for having me.
Wow, ivumba elilapha jonga kusekhaya Jikelele ngenene. Dibane ndithi ndirhogela usiphathele icakes jonga nenhliziyo yami ibhaka icakes namhlanje. Khethi ndiyeva into yokubana wade wabe kanti uyawuyeka umsebenzi wakho une-bakery kwaye uthose nesidanga kwezomthetho. One would think mhlambe ngokwelinye inqanaba lobomqongu kodwa ke wakhetha into yokubana you know what, focus on bakery. Khawusithele thuphe njengohambo lwakho.
Okay, so basically baking sikhule ekhaya nje sibake. Ngikhuliswe ugogo eSinawane eSoweto. So ugogo basically besibake nje sibaker. So baking was in the family nje basically. So that's how nje ngifundele lapho ukubheka. That's what I can say.
Wow, hayi sithi ngatsho ngeneni nobulidloze lihle uma Mvelase. Xa ikujongile I'm sure uyazi nca ngawe uthi oh umntwana mbethunana. Now it's a whole business. Ayonto nje eniyenza ekhayeni. Njengoku usithi into kubana ufundiswe ngumakhulu wakho benibheka endlini. Ndiqinisekile njengomntwana kaloku kune memories othi xa ujonge emva uzicinga into kubana hey unomakhulu sasenza 1 2 3. When you look back and reflect usakhula kukho umakhulu zeziphi memories oqonda bajonga they will forever be in my heart. And also ungathi mhlawumbe into bana ufundiswe ngugogo ukulungiselele njani ube ngulomuntu unguye namhlanje kwelishishini.
Okay, into engayisho nje ngogogo basically let me stick to e-baking. Kuningi nje engakusho ngaye, but when it comes to e-baking nje kuningi. For example, scones. I also do scones. There's a variety in the cake, but currently these are the only ones in my Petela studio. Scones, Gogo would say, "Nje, cake agmelanga scone libe itombolo. Utima utinje utual breaker. Yabo. As a result, I'm eating tenga cake somewhere else maybe, or nitli cake nje from somewhere else. Just by gulbamba nit.
Yeah, is not make sure.
The taste just by looking at the cake. So I think one of the lessons nje engwafundile kugogo ukuthi icake kumele mawulibheka nje already it taste yalo uyalibona just by looking at the cake.
Good.
So yeah, I'm that baker ukuthi nje I can confidently say ukuthi ngokulibheka nje le cake lam you can already so yazi the taste yakhona ukuthi
yes and unyanisile kule nto oyithethayo because siqinisekile la ozendawo amakhekhe ngundoqo kuba nje ngokuwajonga ndihogola the smell ndiyeva into yokubana okay apha kumixwe which recipes amazing work siyaqonda into yokubana uye wathwesa isidanga kwezomthetho. Now that ukushishino lwe-bakery ungathi mhlawumbe i-background yakho ikuncede njani kwelinqanaba okulo ngoku kwishishini? How are you integrating the two? Qonba ewe dinalo ulwazi oluphangeleleyo ngezomthetho ngapha ndinelishishini u-integrate njani ukwazi ukumatcha the two?
Okay, into engayisho nje ukuthi ukufunda it's very important kakhulu. So having worked for a law firm, I think for about 7 years, kuningi nje ngikufundile lapho. One of them professionalism, nokuthi nje how do you deal ne clientele yakho, you know, the manner okhuluma nabo, etc. You know, the way you handle finances wakho. It was very important. One of the things we learned nje khona e law firm bokuthi nje a client, for example, malinde i bank account for the business, you know, you jump, you know. So that being one of the things that I learned, you know. So I take all of that from lapho and then I'm able to ngifakela kule business le yami yamakeke.
Amazing work. So no need bawuzobe uqashana nabantu abazawubenza admin. You do all of that because you have that background. Amazing. Ngoko ndiyafuna ukwazi into kubana elishishini liqhuba njani kwimarket. Ndiyaqonda into kubana kusoloko kukhona i-events left right and center, zi-birthdays, imitshato. Ndiqinisekile nokubana uba fully booked ubizwe ngapha nangapha. How is it doing in the market? And also ndiyahalela ukwazi into kubana njengomntu osemtsha osekasi ungakhuthaza mhlawumbe into kubana ulutsha luzibandakanye neshishini elifana nohlobo.
Okay, engakusho nje ukuthi business yona it's doing fairly well. It's doing fairly well. Inkinga nje khona ethanda ukuthi ihluphe kancane indaba ye load shedding. Because njengoba wazi ukuthi vele amakhekhe asebenza nge-electricity kakhulu, so ngingiba lapho. But ke amakhekhe it's a for me it's a very good business because into ehlala idingakala njalo. For example, every weekend mostly kunama party, kunemicimbi, kunama funerals, you know, etc. So nje lihamba kahle kakhulu. I had abantu, for example, ebengibafundisa nakhona i-baking ukuthi nje bakhona ukuthi baziphilise nabo through i-baking. Like ngisho, the only challenges asiba nawo nje indaba ye load shedding, but other than that konke kuhamba kahle.
And kulento etho into kubana eminye yemicelimngeni ojamelana nayo as usomashishini load shedding, and essential baninzi abantu who abanayo idea yokuba yonirhalela uqala ibusiness elinje nalenje, but the trick is to remain relevant throughout the years. Fumanisa into kubana okay uqalile kunyaka wokuqala, not even unyaka, but 3 months down the line, because of whatever circumstances or challenges umuntu alahle itawuli. Ungathi wena yintoni mhlambe njengosomashishini ekwenza into kubana ube relevant and also udeliver excellently to your clients?
Okay, engakusho nje to remain relevant nokuthi nje ukhona ukuthi uqhubeke ume ukuthi ubheke igoal yakho.
Okay.
Maku business into very important kakhulu ukuthi mele ube ne vision, uzazi ukuthi uyakuphi. You know, so currently lokho kubonayo akusilo kuphela ngibhizi nakho, there's more ngakho. Basically there's more to this. There's ama-scones, like I said, ngenza nama birthday cakes, you know. So manje currently ngibhizi ngakho ama sinkwa, basically. From, yes, umuntu onjengami okhulele kasi, siyazi kasi amakota,
yes,
basically, you know, yinto ethandwayo kakhulu. So ngifuna ukuba one of those supplier all those kota businesses. So I'm trying to venture into that. So to answer your question, as a business person, funeka vele ukuthi you akumelanga u remain in one place.
Yes.
Kumele
reinvent, keep up with the trends.
Yes, yes.
Amazing.
Or at one point, one of those people nje, you know, there's a brand, for example, yeah, toothpaste, you know, you'd find good abantu mababiza yona, even another brand, they just use that particular brand.
Oh,
so
yes,
I want to be that brand. Like a cold drink, for example.
Yes,
I find my son abiza leyo cold drink leyo, but you know, using
there's a variety.
Yes, so I want to be that person. Umuntu nje athi makabiza icake nje. Abizela mi cake.
Okay. I guess for that to be achievable, you have to take your own advice, because for anything ubana manifest into reality, funeke ubene goals. So take that advice, it's gonna come through. Kusathetha ngemiba ye birthdays okubana mhlambe wenzela abantu I birthdays. Nathi apha ekhaya Jikelele ndiyaqiniseka into okubana kulonyaka zayo sakube sibhiyozela I birthday yethu. Mhlambe ungasiphathela nje icake enkulu ethe ekhaya Jikelele.
Ene logo yenu, exactly.
Yes. I cannot wait. So askwazi into bana, because apha sinama cake phambi kwethu nombukeli ngiqinisekile okwezibuza into kubana le box inantoni ngaphakathi. Khawusele Thuphe, take us through into bana zintoni osibhakele yona namhlanje.
Okay, so namhlanje it's ngiqale ngapha kuma biscuits. I've got ama jam tarts. I've got ama jam tarts ngapha. Amnandi kakhulu. I think most nje abantu yabawathandayo ama jam tarts, and then they've got coconut, they've got jam as igama lisho. Jam tarts. Yes.
Khawusithele nje Thuphe irecipe into kubana xa uzayihlanganisa, because khona abantu mhlamba baqonda ba ewe ndiyazithanda ibiscuit kodwa xa ndipha ekitchen kuba nzima udinga ntoni nantoni kuze kuphume your jam tart.
Okay, so basically my basics are corner. It's you've got butter, there's sugar, there's vanilla essence, there's what else? There's flour, there's baking powder, yes, and there's jam.
And kwelqala ngapha sinantoni?
Okay, ngapha you've got your this is your chocolate with chocolate flavor, basically, with white chocolate coat, and then ngapha khona sinama, it's your brown chocolate coats, but ama biscuits wonke as a whole now.
Wow. Yes. And then qinisekile abantu jonga umuntu uyathi bana this weekend there's something big, or ngoDecember ndikufuna apha, abantu xa befuna ukubhuka becela icake na umsebenzi bakufumana njani?
Okay, ngiyatholakala on cell phone number on WhatsApp or calls. The number is 078 034 7000. WhatsApp or call. Ngiyatholakala futhi ku Facebook. My Facebook page, it's Cakes by Kate.
Cakes by Kate. Kathy, phansi nathi cakes, but ke ungu cakes. Siyabulela kakhulu si Ekhaya Jikelele into yokubana usindwendwele. Ndimvile phangapha uBragoda ethi ndiqinisekile xa sithi qhu evenkileni uzawuthi nkwam isisu jonga sana kube mnandi. Siyabulela kakhulu kwaye sikunqwenelela okuhle kodwa kwishishini lakho anga ngenene yonke imisebenzi yakho iphumelele. Enkosi kakhulu.
Enkosi.
Right, mbukeli wami siyaqhubeka kaloku si Ekhaya Jikelele uqinisekisa kaloku into yokubana uba ngaba uneshishini lakho apha ekhaya umuntu omtsha umdala ngumlisela nomthinjana siyakuqaqambisa apha ekhaya Jikelele njengaye kaloku uKathy Kubheka ebesichubela ngeshishini lakhe lokubhaka apha e-studio. Masithi qhwi evenkileni, well njengoba sisevenkileni sabe sithi kamnandi ungaphoswa siyabuya ngongoku.
Siphinde sikwamukele embukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Amabhokobhoko ke okuyiwona avikela indebe yomhlaba yebhola lombhoxo azotholana phezulu neScotland emidlalweni kaPool B ngesonto. Ukubhekisisa ke umqhudelwano nje wendebe yomhlaba nesingakulindela kuyona. Sixhumana nentatheli yezemidlalo estation somsakazo umhlobo wenene uNoloyiso Bonga. Asikubingelele uNoloyiso ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
Enkosi ngibulise nakubabukeli.
Lamaqembu asehlakene ikhawe iningana ke phela iScotland kanye namabhokobhoko iwona ke futhi amabhokobhoko asenqobe imidlalo eminingi mangabe kuqhathaniswa neScotland. Ingabe anethu belingcono yini amabhokobhoko ukuthi awine kulomdlalo?
Lokhu ngokwenza ingwenza fiko preparation ngawo nokwazi ipressure yokubazi defending champs njengoba bekhusela indebe le akuzoba lula. NeScotland naso sizilungiselele ngokuzimisela kodwa ke umdlalo wendebe yehlabathi uye uchinje kakhulu awufana nayo nayiphi na imidlalo kuba onke amaqela azimisela ukuwina kodwa uMzantsi Afrika ngendlela ozilungiselele ngawo uqule wagangatha yonke into uyenzeka kuhle. Ewe zikhona i-changes naku-squad sabo kodwa ngokwendlela kwaku-preparations ze-warm up bebezibonakalisa ukuba balambile bafuna ukuyikhusela le ndebe.
Njengoba usakhuluma ngazo ke inguquko lezenziwa umqeqeshi njengoba elungiselela lo mqhudelwano zifaka phakathi phela ke abadlali abafana noDamian de Allende, uJesse Kriel kanye noChelsea Kobe. Ucabanga ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe lezi inguquko ezenziwa umqeqeshi zizolisebenzela iqembu?
Sizalisebenzela nokuthi ngoba yonke into xa usiya emidlalweni uyihlalukile la nokuthiwa kuyi-analyzer ujonge iqela lakho ukuba zeziphi indawo belinempazamo khona into nabanokuzilungisa kuya kulo umdlalo and ezinye izinto mhlawumbe abanye abadlali bangaqali kungenxa yemava khumbula abanye abadlali basafika pha kwindebe yehlabathi nesquad sabo simixiwe kanye abadlali abaninzi ngaba bebekwindebe yehlabathi edlulileyo ngo-2019 ukulungiselela lo mdlalo. Bakhona abadlali ababekiweyo ecaleni abafana noMakazole Maphimbi naye beyinxalenye yendebe yehlabathi ka-2019 ebiphumelele kodwa ke ukunika i-chance nokunika isquad isikamqeqeshi uJacqueline Nava kukulungiselela indlela mhlawumbe basibone bas-analyzer ngayo isquad seScotland.
And ke futhi ke nanokuthi nje ke baningi abadlali abayingxenye leli qembu ebekade bedlala vele kwi-World Cup edlulile. Lokho kuzosiza kakhulu ngoba phela i-experience ibalekile emidlalweni efana njengalena. Abadlali ke abaphambili ke abafana noLukhanyo M balimele kanti futhi phela nokapteni weqembu siyakolisi naye uqeda nje kubuye kade limele enkundleni. Lokho ke mhlawumbe kungaba namthelela muni eqenjini lesizwe.
Akuzobana chaphaza likhulu nokuthi ngokuba usiya kolisi singibonile kumidlalo yokuzilungiselela indebe yehlabathi abuyileyo kule yokugqibela kanye uye wabonakalisa ukuba uyinkokheli ngokwenene esebenza encedisa nakwi-tries eziye zafakwa nguMzantsi Afrika. Loo nto ithetha ukuba ngokwengqondo ufiti nangokomdlalo ufiti kwaye uyakwazi ukudlala isiqingatha sokuqala sonke sokugqibe ade aphumele nakwesesibini kungakhange abe kanti uyasokola okanye ubone uba ungumntu ophuma kumonzakalo. UMzantsi Afrika wenza umsebenzi omhle kakhulu ekumncedeni ukuba alulame ngokukhawuleza abe ready for umdlalo. Uyabonakala ubungumkhokheli kwale ndlela athetha ngayo confidence yakhe ibuyile okwakumanya iqela lokwakubonakala ubunkokheli busebenze kakhulu kule midlalo yokuzilungiselela.
Ingakanani ke Noloyiso mhlawumbe ingcindezi nje ebhekene namabhokobhoko njengoba kuyiwona phela avikela le ndebe?
xa uyintshatsheli wonke umuntu uzilungiselela ukubetha wena kangangokuba mhlawumbi nongayiphumelelanga indebe yehlabathi ngokudlala nje ngokuzimisela bonakalisa improvement kuxa edlala noMzantsi Afrika loo nto iye ikhulise ukuzithemba eqeleni kuMzantsi Afrika uzawuba khulu uxinzelelo kuza kuba nzima ngoba wonke umuntu ujonge kuwo uMzantsi Afrika bajonge indlela abadlala ngayo kodwa uMzantsi Afrika wothusile ukuba uyajonga indlela abadlala ngayo ne-All Blacks iNew Zealand kumdlalo wabo wokugqibela ibiyothuse kwa iNew Zealand because iNew Zealand iyazazi uba iyasokolisana xa idlala noMzantsi Afrika kodwa umsantsa abawuvulileyo ngokwescore inani abalivulileyo ibonakalisa ukuba uMzantsi Afrika uzangazokudlala uzokulwa kule ndebe yehlabathi.
Noloyiso ke njengoba nawe ke umenshina yona iAll Blacks ngiyazi ukuthi ngemnye ke yamazwe ayimisele futhi ke ukuthi ke athathe le ndebe yomhlaba mhlawumbe yimaphi nje amazwe ongafuneka siwagade ngempela ukuma ngabe sibhekene nawo.
I-Ireland kokuqala ekwindawo ephezulu ayizufuna usokolisa because izafuna uzibonakalisa uba kutheni ilandawo. iFrance njengabasidleki izawufuna nayo ukuzibonakalisa ngoba idlalela elizweni lakokwabo and bane-advantage because bane-support ii-conditions bayazazi amabala abadlalela kuwo bayawazi kodwa ke ndiyafuna ukuthi uMzantsi Afrika ngona lizwe lingazokulityalwa kwaye nelizithele inkxaso nakwamanye amazwe kodwa iNew Zealand nayo iyakwazi iqela ungadlali kakuhle kwi-build-ups kodwa lizame ukulungisa mistakes because ukhumbule xa ungenazimpazamo awuyazi uba mawulungise ntoni ngamaqela nempazamo kakhulu azawuya kulo mdlalo eyazi uba yintoni ekufuneka ilungisele.
Manje nje kule ndebe yomhlaba ubona ukuthi ngobani mhlambe ke abadlali abangase bagqame noma ke babonakale abanye mhlambe laba babizwa ngama underdogs abantu abangabanakile kodwa singababona ke bethi come up
abadlali bethu abatsha boMzantsi Afrika ezabe idebut yabo le yale ndebe yehlabathi kwaye xa udlala kwesi istage kukuzimisela nokuzithengisa nakwamanye amazwe ukhumbule emva kwendebe yehlabathi abadlali uzawubona be-approachwa ngamazwe befumana izivumelwano ezitsha zengqesho ukuba mayodlala kwamanye amazwe abadlali abafana noKaylen Mooney oGrant Williams ngabadlali nabo abazakubonakalisa nomane Libbok abo.
Ngoba ngiyakhumbula ukuthi yena uKaylen Mooney ngathi yena ngesikhathi kuyi lockdown sasimbona lapha ama video yakhe eyiqeqeshela nje obesasemncane eyiqeqeshela lapha ya ngaphandle kwasekhaya kubo kodwa umbheke namhlanje uyodlala kwindebe yomhlaba.
Umdlali one future ebright kakhulu leyo khumbula una only 20 years into leyo yethetha kuba usene chances ezininzi kwaye singambona nakwindebe ezehlabathi ezimbini ezilandelayo ngokwe performance adlala ngayo.
Hayi cha Noloyiso siyabonga kakhulu ke ngesikhathi sakho impela cha ukuthi nje makushaya isonto sobe sihlezi phansi silindileke ukubona nje amabhokobhoko safisela yonke inhlanhla kodwa siyazi ukuthi cha ayilungiselela impela sinethemba kuwena ukuthi noma kanjani awuzonqoba ke lo mdlalo mengabe ebhekene neScotland ngosuku sikufisela usuku oluhle
kakhulu nofuna kanjani sikunqwenela ukuhle konke kuMzantsi Afrika kwaye uzawuphumelela.
Yes mbokeli ke ake sithi qhu ngaseyidolo sizobuya emva komsuzwana.
We want to find every suspect.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele ekhaya Jikelele hey mbukela nikwazi ngakubalisela into kubana hey aze amnandi amakhekhe qinisekani into kubana lithi chuncembeni yamlandela kaloku ukhethi kuba ashe emjonga wenza ezibukwayo uMugel sihlobule mgama November wethu mbukeli iHKS seliqela ke lizimeleyo eliphumelele ibhaso lomculo baqala ke liqela ngonyaka ka2015 ngelixa ke besebenza kunye nekwenye yenkampani zomculo emva kokusebenza ke kwingoma yabo baqala ke bagqiba kwelokuba baziqelele iqela labo lomculo sele ke bechonge kwimbasa zeSound kunye neStars Awards sinabo ke apha namhlanje bazosichala komculo wabo masinibulise sinamkele ekhaya Jikelele
Sawona sanibona
King of Africa Mall unjani
siyaphila sisi
Hayi nathi siyaphila la ekhaya Jikelele. Mandiqale ngawe ndiqinisekile into kubana amini nenza umculo apha nihlangene njengeqela lomculo. Ungasele thuphe nje udescribe umculo wakho ba unjani?
Okay, iHKS kahle kahle isha umculo wepiano ibuye yenze iAfrobeat. Njengoba sihlangene lana sho ukuthi it's 3 countries. South Africa, Nigeria neZimbabwe.
Ayiwena.
Yeah. So hlangane kanjalo vele ngo2015 khona ingoma ekade isebenza ngayo shoot manje sahlangana it was on ingoma khona ingoma enkulu kabi ukuthi manje akazi but inkulu especially la kithi yeah so yona yahlanganisa leyo ngoma leyo sisi.
Wow, I think I love the collaboration. I mean, kuhlangana amazwe ngamazwe, Ekhaya Jikelele, yinto A1. And I want to come to you, Prince of Africa. I mean, you're originally from Nigeria, and I believe that the music style and genre that side is different from SA. I saw you were getting down, piano vibes, house vibes. Can you tell us, I mean, about the music that you do?
Yeah, let me just say we do all kinds of music. As long as music is concerned, we don't have a specific music we do, from Afro to piano to all kinds. But what matters is that collaborating together, I think it makes it one, because piano, Afro, bring all of them together, it brings the nation at the same time at once. So the kind of music we do, we are those guys who do all the African styles. We base on all the African styles.
Wow.
It's not specific, yeah.
I mean, coming to what you have just said, Yokbana, I mean, we are bringing all the nations together.
Yeah, exactly.
Slanda more, I want to come to you because we are in Gumzanz Africa, in Nigeria, Ngapa, Zimbabwe. I mean, ukbani hlanganise umculo because I know Zimbabwe, kune style estile somculo esiyamba phambili nase Nigeria nalapha eMzansi Africa ngokunjalo. So being part of the group, and as we have noticed that, I mean, in imiba your collaboration, iya inyuka ngokunyuka in the music industry. How is it for you, and how is the reception now that nihlangana ninonke?
So far the reception inhle kakhulu. Into echaza abantu kakhulu ile ukuthi manje samazwe amathathu ahlukile. Si cocktail kahle kahle.
Yes.
So into echaza abantu, and when we put music out there, ibakhuthaza kakhulu abantu ukuthi how come South Africa, Nigeria and Zimbabwe, because mangathatha ukubheka these are three nationals.
Yes.
Sometimes ukunokuba.
Yes.
So ukuhlangana kwethu kukhuthaza onke umuntu ngaphandle ngale ukuthi nabo bangakwazi ukwenza the same thing esiyenzayo.
Interesting. I want to come back to you because I mean Javas. I mean kulento ayichaphazelayo yokuba I mean it's nations ezintathu. Siyayazi kalokho into okubana kukhona ukubukulana ngokwesini, xenophobia ngabula makhumsha equbayo, and once iqhume nje levele ukuqhume kube ngathi asizalani igazi lethu alisafani. Why was it important for you as a group to say, you know what, ewe asifanani ngokubana mhlambe omnye usika kwelizwe, and sendisho it's just iborder esihlukanisayo? Why was it important? And ucinga mhlambe into okubana nibena le collaboration izancedisa njani to us as Africans into okubana sibumbane sinyevulele okanye sisiphule nengcambu umba wezanophobia?
Okay, kahle i-aim yethu was ukuthi to show other like nations and countries ukuthi we don't have to fight each other as countries. We just have to unite and support each other as brothers and show ukuthi okay, we can still work together even if unama differences in between, we can still work together and come up with something out of it.
Exactly. And I mean, let's talk about the success stories. I mean, Niena nominator Gisamwa, and earlier on before Sbenol Joan on Jebe, you are mentioning Dokbana Nakwi Stars of Awards. Ghana, that means that even Amazon Lape Africa, they recognize what you do. I mean, what does this victory mean to you guys? Tufunukuza Prince of Africa.
Okay. It means a lot. Javas has said it all. What matters is that either xenophobia, the differences of the countries, to me it doesn't really matter. Because one thing I believe is like a father having 3 children. You understand? You might like one more than the other one. You get what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, they are your children. So that is Africa that I've seen in us. I don't see too much different. I was in country, xenophobia. I don't really believe in such atmosphere. What matters is that how we can be able to bring all these things together and make a difference out of nothing. You know, like, because a country without a mother can never be a country. And a nation without a father can never be a nation. So someone has to start it, and now others can follow. That's what I'd say.
Amazing work, amazing. I want to come back to you. I mean, you have future plans and future projects. Where do you see yourself? And I mean, Central, what are your future projects? Performer, nizibona niphi kwaye nifuna ukwaziwa ngantoni ngumzantsi Afrika neAfrika iphela.
I-aim yethu ukuthi manje saziwe umhlaba wonke jikelele nala ekhaya.
Hayi naqala ekhaya. This is the start naziwe ekhaya hayi jonga boma Hollywood boma America nizava ntrini afunwa ngafana ngapha.
So i-aim ukuthi manje iAfrika yonke si dominate. That's why ngenelela kulama awards la seGhana Masters Awards and shout out to Babusela se Joshua Donko waseGhana wasinikeza ithuba ukuthi singene lapho and after win ama awards baye basenza i-Face of Free Stars Awards this year.
Wow,
so
the whole face.
Yeah.
And I'm sure, I mean, that validates your existence and, I mean, your success as a musical group. And yaqondobana xa siyiqola siyiqonqotha inkqubo yethu nizawusiphefomela ingoma ethi zibonakalise ethethi into yobana prove yourself. I want to understand, I mean, how did that come about? I mean, compiling such a song, ifikelele njani? Prince of Africa?
Nice one. You know, most of the lyrics is spiritual. You get it? You know, like when you wake in the morning and decide to do things in your own way, but while you're in the process trying to do your own thing, you heard a voice say, no, this is how you should go. That is what happened about the song. The song came, it's not something we planned. We never say, okay, now we are writing this song, we're going to record tomorrow. We just came together in the studio and our producer, DJ Monitor, just play a beat, do something, we listen to it. Spiritually, it comes. And we can just say, this is how the song came. It came spiritual. And we put it out there for you guys.
Wow, you know, when you're talking about spirituality, I'm imagining, I mean, these three nations all together, meaning that the ancestors of Zimbabwe, the ancestors of Nigeria, the ancestors of South Africa. So it's an ancestral package. Amazing work. Ndiyafuna into yokubana mhlawumbi abantu xa befuna ukunibhukha befuna unibiza kwimicimbi yabo kwi-events zabo banibhukha njani nifumane kaphi?
Okay, kahle oqala siyatholakala ku social media. Facebook it's Real HKS Africa, Instagram Real HKS Africa, Twitter Real HKS_Africa, TikTok HKS_music, and siyatholakala ku 073 964 773. Ngicela uyiphina 073 964 773.
Yabona xa uyimvumi noba ubiza inamba 073 078 333 maybe nike nikhuphe ingoma ye-numbers ne.
Yes.
Yeah, no, thank you so much for ubani sindwendwele nifudumalise i-Ekhaya Jikelele kuyi-Friday. Siyathemba into yokubana ababukeli bethu nabasuka kumazwe ngamazwe athe ayonwabela i-performance yenu. Thank you so much for joining us.
Okay, siyabonga sisi.
Kubulela thina. Right, mbukeli wami leyo ke i-HKS iqela labaculi besincokola nabo kaloku oko besimnandisa kaloku kusukela oko iqalile insimbi yokuqala bazawude basiqonqothele kusemnandi apha ekhaya Jikelele. Masithi qhwi kwakhona evenkileni wena ungaqoshi uqhushalaze ubukele i-Ekhaya Jikelele.